Welcome to Math with Mr. T. Today is dividing decimals by decimals. Lots of decimals. But you know what? I'm going to make this easy for you. So let's go. The first thing you need to do is make sure you know how to set up a division problem. 7.2, or 7 2/10, divided by 2.4 means that the way to set this up is to have the 7.2 underneath. Okay. Now, once we have the problem set up, there's something that bothers me about this. I don't want to have to figure out how many 2.4s are in any number. So what we can do is a little trick where we can actually get rid of the decimal by moving it one place to the right. What we're doing is we're actually multiplying by 10. And if we multiply something by 10 on the left side, we need to do the same thing here, which means we get to move this decimal to the right as well. And then I always recommend rewriting the problem. So let's do that now. We're going to write down 24 is going to be divided into 72, and that decimal ended up here. Okay? So now we can just proceed. We don't have to do any moving of decimals later on at all. This decimal can just come up here if we need it for later. 24 goes into 72. Well, it goes into it 3 times. 3 times 4 is 12. And 3 times 2 is 6, plus that 1 is 7. Well, this one worked out pretty nice. The answer to this question, to this problem, is just 3. Let's follow the same procedure on the other problem. 9.75 divided by 0.15. So let's put the 9 underneath, because that's what's being divided into. And again, this should bother you. It should bother you that you see the decimal on this left-hand side right here, because we don't want to have to figure out how many 1500ths are in anything. So what can we do? Well, we can move this decimal over 2 spots, essentially making it 2 times, 2 decimal places bigger, as long as we do it to this side as well. Again, I always recommend rewriting the problem because it's a lot cleaner. And now we can do the division. 15 does not go into 9, but it does go into 97. And I believe it goes in there 6 times. Let's see. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 plus the 3, that gets us up to 90. We do some subtraction, and we bring down that 5. 15 goes into 75 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 1 plus the 2 gets us 75. And this is going to zero out with our answer of 65. Thanks for watching. I hope the video was helpful. Please let me know. And don't forget to subscribe.